Nothing is impossible in this world. The word itself says, I am possible. If you want to achieve greatness, stop asking for the permission. I don't care who is doing better. I am doing better than I was last. It's me versus me. Work hard in silence. Let your success make a noise. Think big. Trust yourself. Work hard, stay disciplined, and be patient. Your time will definitely come. Life has no remote. Get up and change yourself. Keep trying even when it is very tough. Because success comes to those who never give up. It's not a problem to make mistakes. The real mistake is not to learn from them. Everyone has a goal in the world, but few have the courage to pursue them, and you are the one of them. Listen carefully. Always feel free to remove that people who are the negative in your life.